Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing great. Another day with another interesting tool. Today I have come up with another tool which is about material parameter identification for Johnson & Cook plasticity model. So to access the tool you will have to go to www.eitherprofessor3mac.com or www.ANSYS.com, and once you are there you have to click on the engineering tools, and if you go down, so I made a video of stress strain curve analyzer just before. I will post the link on the top as well. While I have made very detailed videos on Johnson & Cook parameter identifications as well, again I will post a link on the top there in the corner. What you have to do in this case, you should have your experimental stress strain data of 2 plastic strain and 2 stress values, and you will then upload it here using this button. So let's say if this is the quasi-static data I will upload that, and what it will do, it will use this first part of the Johnson & Cook plasticity model, where A is the yield strength, B is the hardening modulus, and N is the strain hardening exponent. So it will identify all these 3 parameters for you and give you the final comparison as well. So what you have to do, choose file and then press analyze, and once it's done, so you get the list of parameters which are identified, and it gives you a comparison as well. So you can see fitted curve is this red one and blue is the experimental curve, and they are this is a pretty decent curve you can get. Again, you can further fine-tune the parameters as well, but you can see, just click off a button and you get the parameters for your experimental stress strain data. So I hope you find this useful. If you want to, in future I'm going to expand it for strain rate sensitivity exponent parameters and also thermal softening parameters as well, and I'll post the videos in near future. So stay tuned to my channel, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also share to anyone who is using Johnson & Cook model and trying to identify these parameters. All the best.